What if I told you that the fastest way to learn English is not grammar drills? It's not memorizing vocabulary lists. It's something humans have done for thousands of years. Telling stories.
And today, we're going to prove it to you right here in the next 10 minutes.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Or if you're new here, a huge welcome to you. I'm Emily.
And I'm Peter, and this channel is all about one thing: helping you learn English easily in a way that actually feels fun.
No boring textbooks, no confusing grammar tables, just real, natural English through stories, conversations, and a lot of laughs.
A lot of laughs.
Today, we're doing full English listening practice using the storytelling method, which is one of the best tools for improving English fluency fast.
By the end, you'll have practiced your listening, picked up new vocabulary, worked on pronunciation, and enjoyed doing it.
Our story today is called The Girl and the New City. It's a perfect English story for beginners, but it gets more interesting as we go. Peter, you want to set the scene?
Absolutely. As I tell this story, I want you, yes, you, to listen carefully. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just follow the feeling. Here we go. Maya was 23 years old. She was nervous. She was standing in front of a big, loud, busy train station in a city she had never been to before. She had one suitcase, $50, and a small piece of paper with an address on it. That was all. She looked around. People were rushing everywhere. Nobody stopped. Nobody smiled. Maya took a deep breath and whispered to herself, "I can do this."
Pause! Let's talk about a couple of things there. Some really useful words.
First word, nervous. Can you say that with me? Nervous. Nervous. It means you feel a little scared, a little worried, like before a big exam or a job interview.
I feel nervous every time we start recording, honestly.
She does. Second phrase, took a deep breath. This is a very common expression in spoken English. It means you breathe in slowly to calm yourself down, like this. When you're stressed, you take a deep breath.
Maya started walking. The address was for a small apartment she had rented online. But here's the problem.
Ooh, a problem. What happened?
The street names were confusing. Everything looked the same. And her phone battery? Dead. 0%.
Oh no! I feel this in my soul. We've all been lost with a dead phone.
Maya stopped in front of a small coffee shop. Through the window, she saw a woman about her age, sitting alone reading a book. Maya hesitated. She didn't know if she should go in. But then she thought, what do I have to lose?
And that phrase, what do I have to lose, is so important. Write it down. In English conversation practice, we use this when we decide to try something even though we're scared. It means the situation is already difficult, so why not just try? Can you guess what happened next? Pause for 5 seconds. Think about it. What do you think Maya did?
Maya pushed open the door. The coffee shop smelled warm, like cinnamon and fresh bread. The woman with the book looked up and smiled. Maya walked over, a little awkward, and said, "Excuse me, I'm so sorry to bother you. I'm completely lost. Do you know where Maple Street is?"
Let's slow that sentence down for our English listening practice moment. Peter, say it slowly first, then at normal speed.
Slowly. "Excuse me. I'm so sorry to bother you. I'm completely lost. Do you know where Maple Street is?" Natural speed. "Excuse me. I'm so sorry to bother you. I'm completely lost. Do you know where Maple Street is?"
Notice how Maya said, "I'm so sorry to bother you." In English conversation practice, when you interrupt a stranger, you almost always start with this. It's soft, it's warm, it works every time.
The woman laughed and said, "Maple Street? Oh, that's where I live. I'll walk you there." Her name was Clara, and by the time they reached the apartment, 10 minutes later, Maya had found her first friend in the new city.
I love that. You know what this story teaches? It teaches you that speaking English, even imperfectly, even nervously, opens doors. Literally, in Maya's case.
Quick grammar moment, and I promise, Peter, this will be painless.
She always says that.
Peter said, by the time they reached the apartment, Maya had found her first friend. Did you notice that? Had found. That's the past perfect tense. We use it when one thing happened before another thing in the past. Think of it like layers. Two things happened in the past. One happened earlier than the other. The earlier one uses had. Simple. Quick pronunciation tip. The word awkward. A lot of learners say word. But listen, awkward. The middle part is quick. Awkward. Awkward. Say it with us. Awkward. Awkward. You're doing amazing, by the way. The fact that you're here doing this daily English practice, that matters. That's how fluency happens.
I'm going to tell you a short summary of the whole story at normal speed. No pauses. Your job? Just listen and understand as much as you can. Ready?
This is immersion practice, one of the best ways to improve English fluency. Don't translate in your head. Just listen and feel it.
Maya was a young woman who moved to a new city alone. She was nervous and had nothing but a suitcase, some money, and an address. When she got lost, with no phone battery, she walked into a coffee shop and asked a stranger for help. That stranger, Clara, walked her home and became her first friend. Maya learned something important that day. The moment you speak, things begin to change. How much did you understand? Be honest and be proud of whatever you got. Even 50% is progress. Even 30%. You're learning. That's what this storytelling method is all about. Learning the way children do. Naturally. Through emotion, through meaning.
Quick recap of what we learned today. 1. Nervous. 2. Take a deep breath. 3. Polite requests. 4. Past perfect. 5. I'm sorry to bother you.
That's 5 real, usable things from one short story. That is the power of learning English through stories.
Your homework. Write one sentence in the comments using the word nervous or the phrase, what do I have to lose? Any sentence, your own story. I read every single comment.
If this video helped you even a little, please hit that like button. It genuinely helps more people start their English journey.
Subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. We post new English stories for beginners and beyond every week.
You do not want to miss it.
Until then, keep listening, keep speaking, and remember, every word you learn is a door you didn't have before. Bye, everyone.